Hello everyone. I'm honored to be here. My name is Johanna Honkanen. I'm working as a Liaison Manager at Robocoast EDIH. Okay, this way. Yeah. We have 4 EDIHs in Finland, and we all work in different selected sectors, except FAIR, which is also working at AI. And here is a map where you can see all our consortium. And in Robocoast EDIH, we have 15 universities, and then we have 6 research and development entities. Robocoast EDIH is coordinated by BridgeTech Ltd, what is in Pori, Finland. And we provide companies with support and expertise in adopting and utilizing all types of digital solutions. Our technological strength lies in cybersecurity, but we also work with AI. And we work nationally, but we work also in all Europe. And what we do most, we do DMA analysis, and I will tell you more about that later. And so far, we have delivered nearly 2,000 EDIH services, and we are one of the best in Finland and second best in Europe. Very humble, I know. And here is our operation model. So our Robocoast EDIH are doing what you see in the left side, and in the right side there is what our university researchers, students and companies does. Our services are free, what is different in other EDIHs what we have. And we are doing training and short courses. We have example in our net site is digital learning, where you can free look some trainings, and there is AI and everything. So if you want to check, you can check that also. We have also matchmaking and networking. We have a wide networking and cooperation in Europe, so we can help our companies if we don't find in Finland for solutions. And DMA is one of the best what we do, because then we can meet the companies, we can understand what they need and what are their problems. We have 4 services what we have put in 4 categories. We have test before invest, we have funding advice. We will give that if people want to make their product to Europe or wider. And also we have a digital maturity assessment, where we are doing a roadmap of proposed measures what the company needs to do. And also skills and development and training. And then we have also partnerships and new innovations, because we work really closely all our 4 EDIHs in Finland. And Robocoast is a hub that provides companies access to expertise and R&D researches of universities and technology firms. So we try to give companies test before invest solutions, what they can do in universities. And here is more about our RDI environments. There is lots of cyber and energy security. There we have also AI and robotics. Then we have also, we do some metaverse with VR and high performance computing, what we have with Lumi, and also 5G and IoT. And there you can see our cooperation, what we have also CSC, what is known in Lumi supercomputer in Finland. Here is a little bit our success stories. Here is our patches. So we have done a lot of DMAs and network. Here is some examples of what we have done. I'm telling you more about our one success stories, what is with Navaya. We have also done some proof of concept pilots, which were successful with AI chatbot also. Then we have HRFAG assistant via intranet, and also RFG analysis for industrial sales. And next I'm presenting more about real success story, where we get from workshop to international markets. In this case, Robocoast EDIH organized workshops with manufacturing companies. We focus on manufacturing companies, but we help others also, where we identified a shared need for applying AI. We have the Reboot project, which has also goal to implement AI proof of concept. And Robocoast EDIH saw an opportunity in there because we don't have buying services in Robocoast EDIH. The manufacturing companies expressed to us that they work with business partners rather than universities, what we don't do usually because we don't have that test before invest place. But luckily we have Nakkilan Konepaja who did come to our test before invest, and then we get successful pilot. And why this case matters? I think it's important that so small place than Pori, we made something what is interested in Japan. It's not what we usually do, but this showcase, it's telling that there is a proof that EDIH model can work as it best. And we helped to identify a real industry need, and we support that, and AI pilot growth, and the results were good. So from need to the pilot. So we first identified that challenge. What is the companies needed, what they need? And then we get that pilot company from Nakkila Konepaja who wanted to test that. The AI POC launched there. We had Dime Solutions and Navaya did give our AI prototype and that then they won also. But yeah, the feedback from this prototype from SMEs was good, and it showed us that it really worked. It solved a real operational bottleneck. So Navaya and Dime were the winners, but only Navaya did that product later. So the brand new product idea led this pilot to the world to see. And thanks to the Robocoast, they gained exposure, connections, and new industry partners willing to try their solutions. So the product is a new solution concept, what is now interested by Japan, and they are also making now some, they are talking about if they will buy that, yeah. But now that solution is attracting attention internationally. And I think this shows really well how EDIH efforts can lead a real expert-ready innovation. And that shows also that even if we work in Finland or in Europe, it don't guideline anything. We can work internationally and we can help companies to success. And a few key takeaways in here. So Robocoast EDIH helps SMEs innovate with impact. We bring together right actors, validate practical solutions, and scale what works, not just locally, but across Europe and internationally also. So we want to help companies and example SMEs to find those right actors and help them to find the solution, and also the how I guess the sky is only limit in here. But yeah, that's all on my side. Thank you very much.